Alright then, welcome back to 17,000 Flavors of Indonesia. Alright then, so today I'm going to show you very simple way to fry a fish. This is the fish. We're gonna all use only one fish, but before that we're gonna make the marinade of the fish. Okay, marinade. Okay, here we're gonna need garlic. Okay, we're gonna use this. Let's do 2 garlic. Okay, I like to use this garlic. Put the garlic here. Okay, guys, garlic there, garlic there. Okay, it's 2 garlic. It's okay. Then you need this, the baguette dressing or marinade. You can put this a little bit. Okay, like that. Yeah, that's enough. Then you need, where is my white pepper? White pepper. Okay. And put white pepper a little bit. Okay. White pepper. Yeah, put white pepper there. Then it's very simple way to fry fish in my island. It's just tamarindo, garlic, and white pepper. That's the marinade here. So need salt. Put salt a little bit. Okay. Okay, salt. It's very simple way. Kind of that acidy, garlicky, and peppery, because you have this white pepper. I'm gonna put more white pepper. This is very sharp. Okay, cut the things a little bit. Okay, so this is the one that my mom always see. Clean. This one, clean it. Okay, and then you have in the other side. This is you have to clean, and then this one you have to clean too. And you have one here, have to clean, and of course you have here too. Here it's very sharp. You have to clean this. And we have one more here. Here, this is very sharp. Careful with that. Then I'm gonna use this. Be careful. Okay, that's it. All of the torn. And then we're gonna cut this into 3. 1, 2. Okay, like that. Okay. Very simple. Then this is already okay. Okay. Kind of like let them soak with that seasoning a little bit. Okay, like that. It's very simple. It's a tamarindo marinade. Okay, let's put it like that. This is what we do in Ireland. Have a lot of tamarindo, so use this. Okay, put inside like that, like that. Okay, maybe you can let them sit for like 5 minutes to 10 minutes, and after that you fry it. So we have this, the fried fish with tamarindo dressing, and of course with white rice. And we have this sunny side, fried sunny side egg. Yeah, this is a must. If you have sambal, so you're gonna try with them.
Oh my god.
Bueno.
So good.
Bueno, bueno. Okay, guys. This is our lunch. My gosh. Take me back home with this simple tamarindo and garlic. It's enough for transport me to be home. Put your sambal, put your egg. I'm done. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and go to 17,000flavors.cooking, purchase the seasoning, and make this at home. Bye bye.